Hi, welcome to B's Jamaican Delights.
What's on the menu today, Miss B?
Okay, we're gonna prepare some pepper steaks.
Sounds good.
I already cleaned the meat with vinegar and limes, and now I'm gonna put some seasoning on it.
Why do you clean the meat with that?
So it's meat, so we have to have it cleaned.
Make sure it's sanitized? Okay,
Yeah.
I got you.
Oh yes.
Okay, so what's our next step?
Now I'm gonna season it.
Is that the pepper steak right there?
Yeah, this is the pepper steak.
Okay.
I'm gonna put a little meat tenderizing, some cayenne pepper, some seasoning oil,
Complete seasoning?
complete seasoning, garlic seasoning,
You know, black people love garlic seasoning.
oh yes, lemon pepper, we like it spicy, orange pepper, and a little paprika. And I'm gonna stir it around together.
Don't worry, y'all. She's using her bare hand because she's cooking for us.
Yes. Yeah, I have the frying pan ready. I'm gonna put some oil. Put some oil in the frying pan. And wait until it get hot.
Do you need it to be like real hot to put the
Yeah,
to put it
hot
on?
to put the meat in.
Okay, so we just gotta sit tight, wait
Yeah.
for the stove to get a little bit hot.
Yes.
So you're still stirring it up, making sure all the seasoning incorporates?
Yeah, so it's soaking it, yeah. Let's try it.
That's not hot enough. You just gotta wait a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, I think the stove is hot enough.
Yes, I'm gonna put the meat in now. And I'm gonna keep stirring till it brown a little.
I can see the flavor already.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna add a little water to it. Add a little water to it and cover it, let it cook a little
How long you think it has to be like that?
until it dry down. Then I put a little more water in and it continue cooking and it continues stirring.
So just keep on checking on it to make sure it doesn't burn, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, it's dried down a little. I'm gonna add a little water to it and stir it a little. This recipe is from my mom and it was very tasty when she finished with it. So I'm doing the same thing.
How young were you when you think you had this for the first time?
I think I was 16 years old.
Okay.
It was very good. So think mine's gonna turn out the same way.
That pepper steak hit the spot, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
And while we were away, it looks like you cut up some items.
Yeah, some Irish potato, carrot, onion, sweet pepper, scallion, all of that good stuff. Gonna add it to it when I'm ready. Not ready for that yet.
So we're back
After being cooking
for about
20 minutes, about 20 minutes, I'm adding the ingredients to the meat.
And what's all those ingredients again?
Tomato, onion, pepper, sweet pepper, carrots, and Irish potato.
That's gonna give it a nice flavor profile.
Yeah, yeah. So they're all gonna cook together now.
How long do you think this one's gonna have to cook for?
Maybe 20 minutes or so.
Okay, another 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Looking good so far.
Yes, should be nice, tasty. Yes, that's my mother recipe.
And we just gotta keep checking on it. Make
Check
sure it
on
doesn't
it.
dry out.
If it dried down a little, I'll add some more water. Yes. Now the potato, the carrots, and everything that I added to it, it's finished cooking. Oh, nice. Ooh, everything finished cooking.
It's really
And
look-
it's ready to eat.
It's looking like something now.
Yeah, I'm gonna dish out some and have a bite.
Go.
Everyone, I'm finished cooking my pepper steak and I'm gonna have a bite of it right now. Thank you. Share with everyone, friends and family. Thank you. Very delicious.